We are here with Masi Muthoni Wanja.
Lekio Muthoni akirite oguo.
Ndona te sawa. Ndona kira girini area NYS ya tene.
Kwa yuthi.
Yuthi matana ero gwisi hana muki mwaka horurari.
Mebare kira girini eno.
Dale nyomo. Ya nyomo todo my late brother ri. Ruajirie kwa NYS na shedi. Shadi akiwa mama ke muri. Riu gore yo ndimiyo ya ri nyomo. Yes.
To withstand
you know the harsh training terrain. Yes.
Ine.
Dio. Are ure. It is old school that. Turudi pale kitabu kidogo. Yes. You see nowadays, what are we getting inflation? Na poverty. You have to agree as much as there is struggle. Degree you know in the 90s.
Struggle sisi ari ndongerigithania na cia 90s.
Yes.
90s ni hari ni kurare na mathina maingi na morito marito.
Na mathina very basic. Acio no ngirora tu heo ya thire. Our challenges were very basic. It was magonjwa,
ujinga na nini?
Yeah, what was what?
Kupigana na magonjwa,
ujinga.
Da.
The other one was what? I think umaskini.
Ama nija.
Ni umaskini. Yes. So, heke hida tokirero boy. Ni hinya mundu. It was actually you would have even bet everything you have. Atitora le akwanyu. Gotire mwana otho maga we uniform pay igere.
Uniform pay igere.
School uniform.
Mwana wa thukuru ati ni ari pay eno nene wege.
Uri okora riu wathie kwero mwana cukuru ri ni heo requirement. Actually thukuru cia tene ri requirements cio cia korwo cie verbal.
Mwethe wa not require ring.
Pero mwethere ngua goka rucio. No, they'll give you a list. Ukandikirwo 2 shirt, 2 pullover, 3 so 4 this tendere ni undu wi murito muno na nikio mundu ahinyagie mwe we nayo
ni tugithoma ri nie na andu arika riakwa ri ndirona mundu ari pay igire cia uniform.
Well, that was rare rather than rare. Na aria makona malnutrition ri magetha minerals ni mari ya afura na makanini. Kwaja iho yatumagwo na uthi mutungu. Yes. Yatumagwo na korosi. Na korosi. No pare ya machine. Yes. Ile yatumagwo leo aspin niti na. Yes. Na ne kwa leo okay ya moko. Assembled at home. Local assembly. Leo challenge ya uniform matukumba uli. You see, you will not go to school in home clothes.
No.
So even those days, the smartest, the your most presentable, the school uniform.
Na ne todo thukuru na kuo watho wakire murito.
Yes. Acio na cia ire mwene mona ko rukuya marathire gutie ku muno makamugutha uniform sande.
Todo ne nguo yaku iria very presentable.
Yeah, the other ones are tata.
Varia nando fara wa kuria saru kagwe gwa thukuru umuthi
asa
na wathiko na nguo cia thukuru
tathiwa tata gakira
kwena iki akaihuriria
akaihuriria ni mwanyu ni akiri assessment ona mugekira nguo cia muci mukuhana kianangi. Kana ndege nyaki abia. So you would go to functions with school uniform and you would look like Starehean. You know Starehans are proud of their uniform.
You're very proud.
You go everywhere with it. Yes. I can't go in function in there. Solomon karo ithe wa wanja ndwere twara kunere andike haru Bamenya atia so
na pata gari
yes you have a company logo
you are displaying the registration number
even there wait so the challenge then became hygiene no guero name so ne hare the you know the schedule ya kuhura kinya thakio rugongori ni gia tubogora giwa gaki uria uko withstand giko kidogo yes furana nayo ri ndiare mihurire miingi
acha furana ndiare mihurire miingi
yes
iyo ne omagiriria giko ihinda iraya
yes irinda riri ya tuire ture irinda riri hana ndangari yale meshurio
na reka nyito ha westi
no they would tell challenge because it was a Kenya green there is a green ile ya prison
na mubururu ogeweho
yes ndio ndio maondo maige challenge yo kagira ha blouse na shati
uhoro wari hau
yes you see what would happen is through season you know igirari particularly in the highlands it's kuria kwa nywaki nyona kiruri mioro it can get pretty cold
na gwatu ya kuheha gukaheha wega proper
ayo tiga kwa gire global warming and what have you kwa ya homo kagariwa almost 3 months
continuously
no sunlight whatsoever watu kama zoro na shati gerere mwakorano wa hura oria wanekire okimbianwa ihano atia
oria wahurire
it even froze the night mai
nyemu no hehu oria
ona wahiho gweta hende waruta ki
neta hende waruta kirai
so we had to develop a particular set of skills na step 1 yari kindu gitao kurifa
you have your miliveita mai
you know mono game ya code very developed world I guess those are rituals so you know them
na ne waba gutukorana na brother yaku urifete okamurifero ovyo
iferana ko nawe so wajo koyu
mukaba mukoya na kara
no step 2 re mwari vale you see you had to choose either wae guthie thukuru na wero cio mucia idai handu agikuga kuga kira giratumire wae weka
waga guthie thukuru
ni uheo a mild heart attack kana you improvise urecia atio ego tuika basically wearable yes
tiko mafio no at least ekiundu egekirika
yes those were the basics of dry cleaning mwari fari mwacho karu mwathie riko
fireplace
how do they have a science tornio nyite wewe tuweke mushurio
na pegi
now you have to do something called oscillation watu waramu wakini
ugashokia
you have to be very careful tondo ogiatwekire Canada we hani why wow no wana wa moyo twathire cukuru na tumbuka
tiakwe mudete
you see you will wear it
do you even have another choice
rekwaje kwa ya muda thutha ne kaka hai muda mbere raini ya ifungo here shati ya kuya nata ena kanala
Na kira ukahana comedian.
You would look like a street comedian. Or a clown. Of course, smoke was not a concern. Kunuga
dogo was
like Creed Aventus or Tom Ford.
It's actually was a way of life.
Yeah, it was actually considered, almost an antiseptic. Antiseptic deodorant. Yes. It was
no. Actually, guthie mwaki ni kumithia nguo ri. Ni weterere maitu nguo arikie na riko.
Tio twara chati iguru wa sai.
No, ni ya gukuriha.
Yes.
Ni arikie kuruga na eherere gatika ria ikaragira.
Exactly.
Riu munganganire mwaki ni.
Yes. Na he andu mwokaga inyuothe mwena sometimes the queue would be long.
Depending with the number at home.
Largely they were quite a number back then. And they are more no so the challenge is the same. No more to corner how okay we have more waragi ikara. Mwabako nyotoro bara rozine.
Waitugu arikia na era mwaki-ini ri. Not very much is remaining at the fireplace.
Yes.
Na mwena mukana mugerie kuhuthira ruku. Ti mwikira ruku mumithie nguo.
So the other option was otuko ciori kumbe kwa mwaki musishurie ke
itara. And that was very risky.
It was very risky to proximity. You cannot. Wetu ishuri igoro pio ni urehare hethi. Mwakire mwono we yuburagia.
Mushukani ni ahuga mwaki otuko.
Yes. Rosini wakora shati yaku no kora.
No, that was a serious heartbreak.
No, it's a catastrophe of proportions. Na ni wabataraga ugi wa kumenya riri ngurani ya shati kuhiuha na kuoma because kuringana time ĩrĩa wĩna ona ũrĩa ũkĩrire ri na window ĩrĩa mwaheo ya kũmithia nguo using the dry cleaning machine ri ni wona rĩu nĩ gũcererwo nĩkĩ
nĩ thukuru
ũkauga no yũmithio nĩkĩ
nĩ mwĩrĩ hau ĩtigarĩte ri nĩ kũmĩra mwĩrĩ
ũgĩkinya thukuru wakoragwo wĩ at risk of pneumonia
respiratory diseases
bronchio si shatire no ina inago yekinya kinda ithano ri mwere ni odirete ke
no horo cio
kindu gĩtomithagio nĩ mwere nĩ burana
no burana ndio magaraithi
na runyatha
burana ndio magaraithi
wacha runyatha runyatha ndo watogaga
no actually burana heka undu yagaga kuma
yes
we thikiriria hari uri hana no uri hana ri
yes
ukona riu kabondire na heho yo nyene
yes
uige burana thi
you see he ndo ameharukagia ukaigua riu tear weight no gerra kilo ta ithano ukamenya nyamwe no kumithia no kamatuko maya
meri na kiuma na we murwaru
ukauga let us deal with the environment and avoid the poor of her
ukamea ura
yes
wacha nipambana na baridi kama ng'ombe
oikinya thukuru uri what do you call the goosebumps
nyegerera
yes you look like a plucked chicken no anathia cukuru ena dirisha sihana hallway
gukana gutire dirisha
gutire yes
no structure
you are literally outside
nginya thatura tuikaniria kirathi gatagati
no mwana aya aturare tha ici agithina nguo njiguo he would not survive an hour
no
they would
no rete no mwana we muciari
wega biu ati viva ne ithu mwiri we adapt okabatia viva iguru
ukajia gutoga
umithie nguo You literally develop steam.
Uleona ng'ombe gitoga yureirwo.
Using body mechanism. Yani go you like head you like it.
I can't.
Iyo no atoga ya biu. Mwiri ugathita wakia tarubo.
Na weiko iria cie mwiri na nduma.
Na and wild berries. Yes. We belong to an era where daily bathing was nothing of a growing concern.
Kweoga.
Aye. Withabe muthenya for who?
For
what? This is tumetoka hizo enzi. Yes. Especially the boy shower. See, for the girls it was hygiene standards were high. Ihere. Ugiakiririe wiki niguo riu society yajagia gutake. And in some homes some people used to be indifferent. Ni wakora mundu ndari etha baku we mweri.
Especially in the air.
Yes. Wako mukiheke kena ginya yaza no hairy the dermis of the skin. Hey no ito epidermis ya iguru enege
na ria iguru wa ngothi
nikio yeto gotena ikuyu
etago riri
mu ngoro kana etago
atimu acha muhare gikuri
that one
gikuri.
Yes, no akora mundu na gikuri literally out of something as basic as gwithaba. Yes.
Na mwarimu agendire gukutoanisha gukuruta ngia.
Yes.
Oya karamu gake tagaka akaruta gicui giki kia iguru.
Yes.
Areta iyo mukono ageko. Aume na gikuri. Wewe utaonana na discipline.
Wonokata kuguru kwangu. No, some of us were heavily dirty. Hey, here's ya koginya guizia marumaga. They would fear infection.
Na hunyo.
Yes.
Ekona hunyo ne fiato marana.
Wega view. Hunyo na kakai. Some of us were dirty. Unogathie bafu and sometimes you would trick everyone to think ni wethamba. Na utie handu wethamba.
Radio kahori via mai.
Okay, ini via ko. Okay, yes. Na kuge suspect you are cheating on the system. Wa sainagero you are elder sister. Ako invigilator ge.
Kanure thamba.
Oya kiro invigilator ta mundu eka KCSE.
Na ka inspection.
Waiwa mami. Ni murango arahinga. Kafue taugo hingura murango cio withambe hingurite. No, you would feel very embarrassed because your sister will tell you we kumutha ringi.
Ende kumutha.
We kumutha. Mami. We na mesena meige muno.
Nua kenua hau.
Eta ni thambe nginya we ta nyonoke.
Era utika kunjuthiriria.
You know you would face the wall. You know you would bear it if he saw the rear.
Not to the front.
The rear was bearable. Nani modo hiyo yote ni vitu ya kujiletea.
Mwiba wa kujiduka.
Yes. Akuna withambe. Nwethambe na mbere wega. Tiga. You're still a young lad. But you have hydrophobia. And you know the ironical thing is, Matia mind now the go to Ferraro. And I think largely, you know, bathing in the Kagiri, what then? So the question I guess you give here, Nukora Bafu, Eka would hang you. Yes.
Negavo de Kuega.
Yes. Tene bathing was not an experience, it was more of like an inherent. Third one, Timbesia make you out the way to Lucia Duraku.
Thiguku nĩ ciana.
Nĩ ciana. Tauro nĩ ya thoguo na nyũkwa.
Bas.
Yes. Na hĩndĩ ona gũtirĩ mũndũ wathiaga yohete tauro bafu. Tondũ ĩ haraihu.
You see, bafu yakoragwo nja.
Yes. Rĩu thoguo athiaga nginya na jacket bafu. Amehingĩte nyororo na ekuma nayo ahingĩte kĩ? Nyororo. He looked like he was from running an errand.
Na nigetha ko announce kwĩ mũndũ bafu ri.
Yes.
Rĩu nguo ri. Ago nĩ jacket teo kana gutho ri. Yes. Agacuria mwena wa mũromo-inĩ.
Guoko kũmwe kwĩnja.
Kwĩnja.
So that you cannot only know kwĩ mũndũ umenye no. Tono aciari matiari ati nguo nyingĩ. Nĩ ũhũthũ ũngĩamenyire nguo iria ciothe thoguo
atindaga nacio.
Na cia kumagana nĩ igĩrĩ. Ũkithagia bafu ona. Jacket ya mzai. Ukamba gũcokoro.
Ukahũndũka.
Ũthiĩ cuguri ciaku. Ati ũkorete kwĩna nginya gekumuthi ga kũgũrwo.
Ai.
No. You get creative.
Gekumuthi nĩ gakonia.
No mũndũ nĩwe weyororagĩria gakonia kĩ? Tondũ kekeru ri. It was an extreme scrub. Scrub is no mathia nyuthini. Scrub. Rĩu yarĩ ikuha na bemu.
Gakonia na kondi karĩ ikuha.
Ũngĩgaka wekaiguana na mwĩrĩ. Kwa terrain ya mwĩrĩ ri.
Nĩ kũrĩ andũ magacina gũkũ mĩico-inĩ. Gatige kwambũka. Rĩu yarĩ anakti ya kũmenya harĩa hacine ndũgekuhe naho.
Kwanja mũgongo nĩigua hey. And sometimes you will even face injuries in the bathroom. Na mathabuni ma tene ri. To mathiko ni ma improvete muno nginya rũgongo ri. Mathabuni ma tene, I don't know whether it was the water or the soap. They would not lather.
No, nĩ maĩ. It was hard water. Nĩ maĩ.
He andũ moka gũkũ Nairobi mona maĩ mao mo magega. Matingĩbatha mũĩ ũcio othe.
Umĩte kũ?
Tondũ mũhũyũ ũrĩa andũ aingĩ monaga rĩ nĩ arĩa me fortunate gũikara hũgũrũ-inĩ cia rũĩ rwĩna kĩrurumo.
Ũgathiĩ kĩrurumo-inĩ.
Mũhũyũ. No. We have never seen that. Atuĩke thabuni wone maĩ mũhũyũ.
You see, for one, nĩ ũngĩagĩthondekire mũhũyũ. No, now you have wasted a lot of soap.
A lot of soap. And you are anyway very dirty. Wagetha bana maĩ wa maroro kona nĩma mena gĩko. Ukona nĩma, the water has a red pigmentation ya tĩri. So that would disqualify you from owning a towel. Mwehure ki?
Mwehure tauro no.
Bask in the sun.
Mwehure na nguo ciaku.
Mo disinfect on the ultraviolet.
UV light.
Bathing Tene was not a growing concern at the more with our bath here.
By the way, I don't know tauro mũndũ kũgĩa tauro yake rĩ.
Yes.
No agathiĩ theko.
Secondary arĩa mathiire boarding.
Yes. Kũgĩa tauro yaku.
Tauro ya mũndũ kĩũmbe ciatwanie na thogithi. Tondũ gĩcairi mwana warigagwo atĩrĩ back in the days. Wĩthambe. Na hĩndĩ ĩyo nĩ kwa mbura. Ũcoke ndũrĩ tari. Okumoteke.
Na hĩndĩ ĩyo ũkuhĩte nginya na ithaha magũrũ.
Ũcoke ũrangetĩria ũrĩa
ũgĩthambaga.
Na nä kwanja rä u wekuha wega rä nä wamba å gathira mbano maå maku mana ma Formula 1 tihoterei wekuä te wega nä wamba å kauma mbabu. You see, and I don't know who designed that weird formula. Wauma haya mbabu ä rä you have to take a very sharp right.
Babu na onea dia kiga ninge maitho-ini ma Homestead.
There was a sharp right. No babu ekumuthece ni undu traction ri. Right yo ni ara ya kuingira ugathie straight. How straight on ri. Maita maige hakona na mafoco. Na mueo uria mai ma bafu mathia
aria madreinaga depending na the traffic at your home.
Yes.
If you are like the 60th person gwithaba na kuu namba mugwanja.
Yes.
Ni ugukora kwina ka flooding.
Yes. Ni ugukora ground very lubricated. And one to you, ogerigire the maitho-ini ma an authority, ugocokio babu. There was always exit in almost 0 meter, sharp right. Na sharp right ye no ri, harĩa umagira ri, ni uthi ukugite, tondu mabati mari kona ma nyumba nene megite magomanĩire. You can be beheaded.
You get an accident from above.
Yes. Ndio mire gwithambaga system ikinyita report yathambirio njatharoni au abua kuga lego kuwa kero kuwa togothike we mutheru tigothika giko
tere ya gukua
magunyanjä atä rä gå tiä må ndå gecagio coä nguo cianyu ciothe tå cio ona tå gä cemä na ebara nä tå kå menya nä we å cio no ngeithia wagå ra å må thä
nguo cia rä u nacio nä ihananaga må no
nä irä anaga no acio nguo ciagä diversity thutha å yå tena nä guo cihananaga må no tondå there was only blue jeans. Yes. Ona buraki oka thutha å yå na nä buraki ya kä bu ndio rä u rä matuko mauma hau kabere ri. You know, in this life, people actually have several approaches towards success. One, they imagine they can inherit it. Yes.
If you are born in a place where
and inheriting is something that you can almost tell. You don't have to struggle about looking up what you inherit is seeable. Yes.
Right from miaka ya udogo wako.
Yes. Where there are some people who had wild imaginations of inheriting against all odds. Taru okora se he muthogo wakwira ni akwandikite. Those are pipe dreams.
Wishful thinking.
Yes. There was you earn it. You work really hard.
Yes.
And earn it. Go to school. Study hard and work hard.
Yes.
And there is the other one that many of us, regardless of where we are, we always like to entertain that thought, which is called sheer luck.
Monyaka.
Yes. Bahati ya mwenzio ambao Hilali wangu nini mrango wasi So you see the whole thing of winning and what it was not as accessible. Tukisagiro technology
de akinyete o
kwe model tu ragiro go hesho di tu ada kasi ya de aruru
de aruru na is very logongo-ish
but it would actually break fight
no ne umaga kara
me ko ga ni de baji and some kind shabs mare you know some crooked ways no na adu na no adu ya sai maba kuruta shati ni ga marue na de dudo yo mateu ta shati ni urume ni tiga taruke de expensive
ni ko manya garamere ya gushoka thi
yes kafo huru kafu
onagia ndudio
todo gudia ithuri ya bata utari Yoro mwana adi aroro icio ocoka uyu kari getagwo kana ya guikia makoini yu karigithia ukacokete puru and what have you but there was one show that we all used to watch it was called the MBECA box
that one was big
it was big those days they had a muthuri wetagwo I think it was Paxson Gogi alio kuare zaki kwetu productions mena lady that was called Regina Mutoko yes and the sister wa Caroline Mutoko that show was the bomb
MBECA box
yes kwa jero mundo de woka haure gisagi kegi mando de mu tacha wala
ndio mugegeire TV o
buku na mama ala ga Gwithate agothwa muiko mukaligo where shall he pass where does he go from here
aregete ngiri 30
yes akayo gesugi
kiria kinene
no it used to be very exciting of course there was Who Wants to Be a Millionaire iyo dia le azubaku yeah on the fires crash yes yeah inasiyoria mata
Duru kutwaregagera MBECA box
MBECA box yes
na ne atukenagia muno to ne na grand prize ya gakari
na korogwo studio I think akoti koria film studios area
I think nekuo
so ni aiga yo studio theini na chaficia yo Nissan was a big
hedio cia thiaga na affair
kyo Nissan ai thiagia na ma MP yoko oguo hau ni andu mauye ni hajia uka ngari cia Dubai actually Dubai then meant second hand yes
ya Dubai
and Nissan is iraku aro cia Dubai and before then gotiare ngari cia X somewhere it was a showroom kana gure kwi
mundu we nayo
yes enu to entertain go muno bona ga there was Kiroboro there was Paxson adio akamudia matamu
ya maoni mundu kana ngari
oi please guy kana gona mundu aguthoma TV
nyo the whole village mukongregate kwa mundu umwe ure we TV
yes
mukamenya ucio ni akura
mukaigwa TV ya shida ri it's a color TV na agakirio but you guys will still see black and white
mwimugire tuoro inene
mo wetekia ne kana na wete Paxson go ya atri simunaona TV yake ni colored simunaona marangi yote inatoa Regina did you see that all the colors as nyomrona black and gichako gire
wewe uko na TV ya kalari was a big thing
oh what are you saying TV ya kana mundu ameonare huku mahesi kwa meba Kwaje muge iguya te mundu umete ta kwanyu even not even local mundu ucio ni wa makage ma
within your sub county
yes atenewe ucio ni alega auga stack box na stack box na stack. Yes. Mukona ne agutho ngiri 60 na uma agutho gicungi. Mauga okugutu ne andu ne hakirire.
Uga ucio ne atofora.
Ucio ne atofora. I remember there was someone from the North Rift to actually ni sansan niyo. Ni to mumenire muno to ntu amiendaga ithuo. Listen, son.
Igicoka gatota 91.
Wokie Corolla 91. Yes. Toyota Corolla 91. Igicoka yoka Sprinter. Yes. What are you saying? That was like a C180. Yes. Na firiji.
Na firiji.
Yes. Hii dome kwa iko. Maria kwa mudo mukero era mwa tin 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 tin.
Ndio agora ndigwiciria ni kwali regulation ita iria ciekuo muthi.
Aja gotiari no there were not many.
Cia ciothi gotiari.
Ni ari avieta. No, never mind. They are sporadic. There was an organized way of participating. Watu mamaru wana fodita.
Wikagia request na fodita.
Yes. Washokerio maru ogoka.
Ogoka rena.
Yes.
Na okanira itura igima.
Okanira itura igima mukiaje dole.
Mukiaje dolera.
Yes. Of course there was a match played charity sweepstake. Yes.
Ero iguangania ne arareire charity.
Kwaja kule charity was even a community expression yaku where you ran into a windfall. Yes.
Ne arareire charity.
My little brother Mainari anaria charity. Na ne besa nyingi tondu riri. We are looking at the 90s. Late 90s how 94 how.
Netene. That's that years ago.
We charity was scratchy. Charity harari. Scratch kali ya thimu. It's the same technology. We was scratchy. Oko yaruta iganari. Egeruta iganari ege maita matatu there were 4. Egeruta the same amount 3.
Imagine that.
Says you got scratchy akere ya giri.
Giri
1,000.
94.
Yes.
Hey.
Now my father had an issue with that, my late father. So no better is yours. My nago radio cassette, and my father had not bought a radio cassette yet. So he declared the Crown Land Ordinance at Radio Neamuige.
It's a family property.
He invoked an article.
As the supreme leader of that family.
Yes. As Sir Evelyn Baring. He invoked an act of parliament that declared that any electronic in that house belongs to
the family,
and all custodial rights belong to the father,
who is at the top of the hierarchy,
and that is not revocable. My nani yake heagwo some leave here and there. But there is where the regulator
CAK
taro nigetha riu horo ucio kinyanire ri abi yake akiuzwo aheane riu audit ya kuria arutire mbeca cia gutha ndakiandikitwo
netho cinde ngirire bia warutite kucia gutha
niku urutaga wira
wandikirwo ri.
Yes. Na ni wathorikwo ucio wa bururi wetikiretie mwana.
So,
his lawyers declined to take up the case Mutha no aririkana ndio tondu wacokire akimiumania. Mutha no amekobofanirie. Used to you know there were some boys we were wari bako disassemble.
Kuona acio mararia theini meha.
The Mutha. But it was on record, it was our first radio cassette. Yari ruo ciari tene maina.
Iyo no mbitungire rwimbo.
Wega biu. Yes.
Rocio kuratuikire ni holiday.
It is the holiday of Eid al-Adha. Yes.
Kwa hivyo kuna watu weekend inaanza saa hii.
The weekend starts here and now.
Okay, weekend on aigehia holiday.
Oh yes. No Eid al-Adha ri. Bakorwo wina murata waku muithira muri. Metha ni mathinjaga.
Ni ya guthinja.
Yes. Tondu Eid al-Adha ri iririkanaga gwitikira kwa Ibrahim riria rirwo ni Ngai atiri udutire mwana uyu waku ndakuheire ta kigongo kigongona nake atua riu kuguraria mwana ucio ri Jehova akimura Ibrahim tiga yes na kirehe gaturume gake kaigongona ria njino riu ota ni onekire hau ri niguo kunguyagirwo ni the Islam community ni eto Eid al-Adha
na ndio magakungwira rucio
riu gaturume gaka Jehova akirehire ri tiko tugakiria
ogwa rucio ara taifo itheramu kwendea
ungiona magwikira ngurubu etikira
accepta
ungiona invitation to join WhatsApp group ya Ahmed Ismail Musa hingia wako na form ane matheja atumisha sanao yondo ma arosto eto fulito wa matheja atwega muno yes na matigese basi matiru ametura
kana ivyo turugaga
matithondeka andu ndiro ngeri mana metura ina mathiaragia mitwe mbega yote kwisha
kaende yote
amatithondeka yete thufu moinge
yes ina form rucio